What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Eagle Slayer 95 back at you with another video. I'm back with the juice once again. So we started off this season 10 and what was it, 10 and 2, 10 and 1, something like that, and then go on I don't a 3-game losing streak to the Niners, Cowboys, and Seahawks. Get get the dub on Christmas Day to the Giants. Um, get that epic collapse in Arizona, which is like it sucks, but man, it is what it is at this point. Um, so it's kind of crazy, man. Like, I just hate that it had to happen to Jonathan Gannon and the Cardinals. On we let James Conner. I don't want to get into it, but we let that guy run like what 260 on us in the second half alone. Had what 200 yards, but whatever, it's over with. So we dropped to the fifth seed since that stretch of a somewhat of a gauntlet um in the second half of the season. And yeah, man, that how meaningful is this Giants game? Not really meaningful at all, at least to me. So we're most likely resting the starters. Um and yeah, man, just gonna chill this Sunday. See who we're gonna face off in the wild card. Or we are gonna be we are an away team, but just is what it is at this point, man. And I also want to touch up on that AJ Brown presser. The other day, he finally broke his shell after going on a 2 week hiatus from addressing the media, and I gotta give it to him. A very good interview. He didn't shy away. He didn't lie. He told it like it was, man. And yeah. Hopefully, this is a kick in the ass for the guys and the coaching staff and that all the above, man. Um. So yeah, I just wanted to come up on here and check up on you guys. It's been very busy. Um. This is a new season, and you know, where it matters the most, everything counts for, and we're gonna see what this team is made of and all about. And yeah, see who's really calling the plays and how much of a margin does Hurts having the play calling, which I already know he is calling the plays in the first place. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys get on out of here. Um, come on, birds, let's get this going, man. We need y'all. Um, you guys are the only thing going for us other than Joel Embiid right now. But we all know how that turns out in the end of the year for the Sixers. I don't want to talk about that. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. I'll be back shortly.